Dr. Nikos Pantelelis. I'm the R&D Director of Synthesites Innovative Technologies. We are working in the Morpho project with our background, bringing our background in developing intelligent process monitoring and control systems for composite manufacturing. And within Morpho project, in collaboration with Safran Composites and the other partners, we are going to develop more intelligent sensors for RTM manufacturing and for improving the process and let's say improving also the knowledge about the process and making the optimization and the online control more efficient for RTM manufacturing. RTM manufacturing is actually the abbreviation of Resin Transfer Moulding, which this is injecting resin, thermoset, most of the time thermoset resin, into a closed mold where there is already dry fibers placed in the cavity. And it's, let's say, a modern way to produce, especially mass production of composite parts. In this case, in Morpho, it is, let's say, the state-of-the-art manufacturing in aerospace, because in aerospace it's not used so much. And within Morpho, Safran is interested to improve their production, especially for large turbine blades, and let's say to make it more efficient and especially decrease the scrap rate during the production of these really expensive parts made of 3D preforming of carbon fibers. Just to add with our sensors, intelligent sensors, RTM manufacturer can really measure or estimate in real time the resin viscosity and then the gelation and the glass transition temperature, the evolution of glass transition temperature in the mold, in order to decide about let's say, demolding faster or ensuring about the quality of the parts.